Hi, and welcome to Mana Quest 1, the introduction. I will just talk a little bit about what we're going to do in this project. The goal is to make a clicker game, sort of like Cookie Clicker, which I have here. But we're going to make a version in Scratch. It's going to be Mana Clicker instead. This is not the final version. This is just to get an idea of what we're going to do. So it's going to be a clicker game with sort of a magic theme. We're going to have 4 buildings, where in Cookie Clicker there's 20 potential buildings. There's 20 potential buildings in Cookie Clicker. We're going to have 4 in our game. Most likely we're going to have some upgrades. I still don't know how many or what they're going to be. We are going to use the basic blocks in Scratch. So motion and looks and sounds, a little bit events. We're going to talk about loops and if statements. We might have some sensing. I'm not sure what the game is going to look like exactly. A little bit some operators, because we need to do some basic math. We are going to talk about variables and how to set them and change them. We are not going to talk about lists, and we are not going to, most likely we're not going to have custom blocks. This course is going to assume no prior knowledge of Scratch, so I'm going to explain everything as we move along. I will also show that I sometimes make errors. Some of the errors I'm going to make are going to be on purpose, and some of them are going to be honest errors that I make, and I will still show them. I have watched other YouTubers make Scratch tutorials, and they look like wizards when they do Scratch. It is just super fast and everything is correct, and I want to show that that is not the case when we do a new project. So Griffpatch most likely uses hours and hours for each video, and he makes a 10-minute video that just shows how good he is. I recommend, as we move along in the project, that you make your own project. It can be the same theme, but it can be a different theme. It's up to you. And see how far you can get. I'm going to make remixes of the project, so you can, if you completely mess it up, you can go and remix my project. There'll be a link at the bottom of every video. So as I said, I have looked at Griffpatch. He has some good videos about Scratch. Alex Steve taught me a little bit about making a clicker game look beautiful. He has his diamond clicker here. And Donut Ask also has some clicker game videos that I found useful. That being said, let's move to step 1 and get going.